Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic mean, median and mode. Here is some number. We have to find out mean, median and mode. First question, arrange descending order. So we have to make this one descending order. So we have to find out which one is the smallest one. We are seeing the 9 is the smallest one, then 11, and also here several 11. So one by one we are trying to make descending order. How? So look, this is our descending order. We can make some larger this one. Okay, descending means highest to lowest, highest to lowest. Okay, so highest one is what? 73 and lowest one is 9. So this is 73, then 64, 62, 58, 58, like this up to 9. So our first question answer done. Question 2, we have to find out median, right? Median. Before find out median, we are counting how many numbers in here. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Look, n equals to here is 14, which is even number, right? So we know the theory, if the order is even, that time median equals to n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term divided 2. So look, here n means 14. So n by 2 means 14 divided 2, it's a 7th term. So we can write 7th term plus n by 2 plus 1, it means 8th term. Okay, divide 2. So which one is 7th term? 7th term is 51. So we can write 51 plus 8th term is 32. So we can write 32. Divide 2. And here is 1 plus 2 is a 3, 5 plus 3 is a 8, divide 2. So our median is 41.5, right? And this is our answer. So question 1 and 2 done. Now we will find out mode. Mode can easily we can find out. Look, here is look 60, 73, 64, 62. Here 52 become 2 times, 51 2 times, but 11 become 3 times. So 11 equals to 3 times. It means highest frequency. Highest frequency. So mode is 11, right? Or direct you can write find mode. Mode is 11. Mode equals to 11. So anything you can write. Basically we have to find out which number frequency is high. Here 11 frequency is high, and 52 here 2 times, and 51 2 times, but 11 is a 3 times. So number 1 2 3 done. Now we will find out arithmetic mean. It means average. Once we are finding arithmetic mean, we know the theory. Arithmetic mean means summation of all numbers divide total number. So summation of all number, it means for this the summation is 535 and total number is 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So mean equals to here 535 divide 14, and the answer is 38.21. Okay, so we have 4 questions. One is arrange in descending order. We are doing. The median is 41.5. The mode is 11, and the arithmetic mean is 38.21. So no more today. Thank you very much. We are doing these kinds of math already, and next we will do for our exam practice. Till then, take care. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.